Hey friends, in this video I'm showing you Sun Sal A. Beginning at the top of your yoga mat, bring your hands to heart center. Exhale, mountain. Inhale, upward salute. Reach both your arms overhead. Exhale, forward fold. Micro bend your knees. Inhale, halfway lift. Hands to shin. Exhale, low plank. Place your hands on your mat. Inhale, upward facing dog. Send your hips up and back. Exhale, downward facing dog. Walk or hop your feet to the top of your mat. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, forward fold. Inhale, upward salute. And exhale, hands to heart center. Let's try it one more time. Inhale, upward salute. Exhale, forward fold. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, low plank. Inhale, upward facing dog. Untuck your toes. Exhale, downward facing dog. Walk or hop your feet to the top of your mat. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, forward fold. Reach your both arms overhead. Upward salute. And exhale, hands to heart center. Namaste.